When you've got a heavy-duty working truck like a Ram 2500 or 3500, you know how important keeping it on the road is. Worn-out suspension, steering, and braking system parts lead to downtime, not to mention poor stopping power, noise, and reduced handling. That's where Mevotech's TTX line comes in, with their line of upgraded and engineered parts specifically designed for working trucks and fleets. TTX does the hard work, whether it's suspension, steering, or a wheel hub. But the big upgrade is Mevotech's all-new TTX brakes, where friction meets innovation. Built tough for commercial duty use, these premium aftermarket pads feature a corrosion-resistant backing plate, exact slotting for quiet performance, and a unique burnishing layer for a fast, optimized bed end. Available in 5 different brake formulas, created to match how you may use your truck. Every set comes complete with a full install kit, abutment clips, caliper hangers, bleeder screws, even a wire brush and lube. Everything you need for a pro-level install. So if you're tackling these repairs on your Ram 2500 or 3500, the solution is clear. Mevotech TTX, engineered strength up front and stopping power where it counts.